that will be my water storage. Behind this wall is big water tank also, which one I discovered in last video. I didn't know I have so big tank here under the ground because was everything mess here around. But then I clean and I find this big water tank. What will happen here? Here will be water pump, which one will be connected with complete system, water system, and that will be 1000 liter and 3000 liter there. And I can add here more tanks inside for around 4000 liters of water, and 3000, then I will have 7000 liters water. And here this place will be storage for vegetable and fruits. Probably you will ask me what tool is this. That is for make sharp, that one. Last 3 months I just put stuffs one on another and I didn't have time to clean. Let's go see now how looking my future workshop and wine cellar. Like you see, guys, I'm not finished, but all this what's here will go away. That's all. This must be clean, and that here will be my bench with tools, and I can make future projects here. Let's go now in cellar. This bench needs clean, but most of the stuffs like it was now, I am happy. Next, here in cellar must be connection with water, restore that tank outside under the ground, that one leaking, and here connect water pump with all connections and everything, and that will be also big project. For great entertaining and craftsmanships, best regards from Bavaria. Helmut, thank you very much. That's really mean a lot. Also, I wanna say thank you, John, from the last time. Thank you very much. I'm not good in this, in talking. Okay, I'm good with working, but not in talking. At the moment I'm really low with money. This is the reason why was all progress here so slow. For this I will ask you for help. If you can share with my videos with your friends on WhatsApp or Facebook or I don't know where, Instagram, that guys, that will be big help, because we'll see my videos more people. That mean more people will watch more ads, and that mean I will get a little bit pay, and then I can put this money on material, and then I can make bigger progress. That will be big help. Or if you are new here, please subscribe. People on was around 6% was subscribed, another 94% was just watching one video then left. Guys, subscribe. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for all your support and help, and I will catch you in next one. Thank you, bye.